Hello, chef. What are you doing? What are you cooking? He's the chef for today. He's making an egg omelette for our breakfast. Oh, I thought you forgot to put the egg. Never mind, we need to put the mushroom. Parang chef, oh. Parang chef na chef talaga, oh. Diba? You don't like the word, diba? Diba?
You want the cheese in your face?
It looks good. The pizza is... Oh, this is not a pizza. It's burning. Failed. Okay. What matters is the effort. I got these flowers from Nancy. So pretty. Ayan, buti naman siya ang nagluto ngayon. Nakakapagpahinga ang yaya. Siya munang yaya ngayon. Seryoso. So serious. Can you smile for me, please? Kung ayaw mag-smile. Ang taray naman. Suplado? Siyempre, alam na this, rice. Diba, leftover rice. I'm just finishing this. Salamat, mahal ko, for the breakfast.